Premium glass. Constructed of premium-grade glass, the beverage serveware will be secure and balanced for indoor and outdoor use. The crystal clear sides allow you to see colorful contents. The wide-mouth authentic mason jar design adds a majestic touch of decor. Stainless steel mess-free spigot. An 18/8 stainless spigot is affixed to these drink dispensers for parties. The spout is 100% leak-proof and drip-free while allowing for strong steady flow. Stainless steel lid. The glass water dispenser has a tin lid that keeps bugs or debris out of your beverages. For fresh lemonade, iced tea, infused water, punch, juices, and sangria. Wide mouth. A specially designed wide mouth allows you to effortlessly infuse drinks with fruits or berries and makes it easy to hand wash the punch dispenser for parties. Not dishwasher safe. Packaging care. The juice dispenser arrives securely packaged and makes for an awesome, attractive gift. Note: not for hot beverages. Size: 11 x 7 inches W. Top reviews from the United States. As expected. Well made, came intact. Which some reviews say it came smashed, cracked with bits missing or chipped. Can say mine didn't and all the bits seem to be there. Was a bit fiddly to put the tap on but managed. The instructions were a bit confusing and not very easy to understand, though I managed to figure it out. Getting my hand in there was okay, but screwing the nut was a bit hard with the angle and size of the nut. Had to use grips to help they just fit in. Did a water test and it was fine. Would be nice if it came with a stand to put it on though.